Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. I got a question on one of my older videos about resetting the Gmail to a white background. Somebody pointed out that the default is now blue, and I want the white back. This is in Gmail in late 2022, and I have good news and bad news about that. Good news first: it is possible to switch back to the original view. What you need to do: click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of Gmail. That's the settings. The quick settings window will open up, and you should see a message that says you're using the new Gmail view. Go back to the original view. So click that, and then when you open up Gmail again, this is the new view. It'll look like that. However, you may also see another message that says a new Gmail is coming in 2 weeks. It will change the appearance of everything, and if that's the case, you may not be able to switch back to white in the future. I'm going to try to figure out a workaround, but I don't know what it is right now. But as of now, that's the temporary workaround, using the go back to original view in the quick settings in Gmail.